And I think AI is going to become, like intelligence is going to become actually abundant, and everybody's going to have access to it, right? And the rest of the world is going to benefit as a result. But that's not going to happen overnight. The benefits are going to be seen over a few years, right? But I think we should be focusing a lot more on the benefits than
So
the
if you look
change.
back at like some of the like revolutions that have happened, go back like 150 years. You have everything from internet, mobile, computer, industrial revolution. Every single one of those, there was a immediate fear that the disruption is going to be absolutely massive, and it's always a lot easier to identify the places that end up getting immediately shaken up and displaced, but it's a lot harder to see the secondary side effects. And so mobile phones created this astronomical economy with Uber and Instacart and all of the other applications and services that became possible. Same thing with the internet and computer. You go back to the Industrial Revolution, it was massively disruptive, where almost every single type of traditional factory job or even farming job got completely kind of shaken up, and everybody thought that this was going to be the end of labor. What ended up happening is by the end of it, it was disruptive locally, but when everything settled, the number of jobs actually increased, the average salary doubled, the productivity skyrocketed way more than that, and you actually had like a big net positive for overall society. And so one of the elements here might actually be, like you said, Spiros, like highlighting the wins, where we need the drug discovery and the cancer treatments that end up being giant wins that were discovered for the first time by AI and not by scientists doing massive experimentation.
Notion is the AI-powered connected workspace for teams. It brings all your notes, docs, and projects into one space that just works. And with AI built right in, you spend less time switching between tools and apps and more time creating great work. And now, with Notion's custom agents, busy work that used to take hours or never got done at all runs itself. Custom agents automate all of your team's repetitive workflows, and they live inside Notion already. Maybe you want to keep track of what everybody's working on. Maybe you want to see which pages are getting edited. Maybe you want an analysis of what your team is working on. I'm constantly getting disturbed by pings and pings from Slack, by team members with all these questions. Now, Notion's Q&A agent can research the answers from anywhere on the platform and get back to those people directly in Slack. You can design custom agents on your own, but Notion has a bunch of pre-trained ones ready to go. Try custom agents now at notion.com/twist. That's all lowercase letters, notion.com/TWIST. And when you use our link, you're supporting our show and keeping it free and vibrant. Notion.com/twist.